Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to dive into a delicious and easy to make dish. Pho, a traditional Vietnamese soup. Now, let's break down the ingredients and the steps to make this mouth-watering meal. First, we'll need 4 cups of chicken or beef broth, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 star anise, 3 cloves, and 200 grams of rice noodles. For the toppings, we'll use thinly sliced beef or chicken, fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and mint, and garnishes such as lime wedges, bean sprouts, and chili. Now, let's get cooking. Start by boiling the broth and adding the spices. Once it's simmering, add the rice noodles and cook until they're al dente. Then, top it off with your choice of protein and fresh herbs. Garnish with lime wedges, bean sprouts, and chili for an extra kick. And there you have it, a delicious and satisfying bowl of pho. Thanks for joining me in this culinary adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!